everyone. In this video, I will show you something fun and exciting using this balloon helicopter. We will learn about Newton's third law of motion, which says every action has an equal and opposite reaction. It sounds a little tricky, but it's easy to understand. Let's take a closer look at the balloon helicopter. It has three main parts: the blades, the rotor, and the balloon. Blades are the plastic wings. Rotor is a thing which holds blades and balloon. Balloon is where the air gets stored. But here's something important. Near the tips of the blades, there are tiny holes called air outlets. When I will blow up the balloon, the air will escape through these tiny holes. Let me blow up the balloon and let's understand how it works. Now I will release it for the lift. Let's see same thing in slower motion. When the blades are pushing out the air, the escaping air is also pushing the blades in opposite direction. Each of three blades are getting pushed in same direction. Since the blades are angled, the push from air results in their spin. The air rushing out is action and the blades spinning in opposite direction is reaction. This is Newton's third law at work, which is every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Here is the cool part. When the blades rotate, they push the air beneath them downwards. When the blades push the air also pushes the blades upward. This force helps the balloon helicopter to lift in the air. This simple design is a great example how real helicopters and rockets work. I hope you enjoyed learning about Newton's third law and design of this helicopter. Beside my science adventure, look at my robotics adventure too. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.